Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenExploit. I'm Pawan, and today we are going to build a secure password manager step by step using Python. If you're a cybersecurity student or just love coding cool projects, you'll love this one. By the end of this video, you will have a working password manager that can store encrypted passwords safely using your own master password. Let's get started. Alright, first, what's password manager? It's a tool that stores your passwords in one place safely. You only need to remember one master password. The rest, the managers handle them securely. We are going to build this using Python, SQLite for storage, and cryptographic library for encryption. Make sure you have got Python installed. If not, pause here, set it up. Let's start by asking the user for master password. But instead of using it directly, we'll convert it into secure encryption key. This is done using something like pbkdf2, a key derivation function. It turns a password into cryptographic key using salt and hashing. We'll save the salt when the app is running for the first time and reuse it each time to generate the same key from the password. Now, let's handle encryption and decryption of the passwords using something called Fernet. Fernet ensures that your data is encrypted in secure, authenticated way. That's it. Super simple encryption and decryption using a derived key. Now, let's set up a local SQLite database to store your local credentials. We'll store three things: website, username, and encrypted password. Now we can start using passwords and retrieving them when needed. Let's write a function to insert and read entries from the database. Now let's write the main program loop, the part the user interacts with. One last thing, generating and saving the salt file. This ensures the same key is generated from your password every time you log in. And there you have it, a full working secure password manager built from scratch using Python. Let's quickly recap what we did today. Created a master password system, used PBKDF to derive encryption keys, encrypted password using Fernet, stored credentials in SQLite, built a simple command line interface. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more ethical hacking and cybersecurity content. Let me know in the comments if you want a GUI or a web version next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.